This video explains the steps to printing on the CL-E30 series using continuous media. We will explain how to set the paper, adjust the sensor position, and calibrate the sensor. Finally, we will perform a functionality check. In this video, we will use continuous media. Please check your media. First, press the buttons on the sides to open the top cover. Insert the media bar through the core of the media roll, and then install the media bar guide. The media bar is designed to accommodate both 1-inch and 1.5-inch media roll cores by flipping it over. It has markings indicating which side supports the different core sizes. Select the orientation according to the size of the media roll core. Load the media so that the guide is on the right side of the roll when viewed from the front of the printer. Slide the media until it touches the left side and position the guide against the media accordingly. Note that if the media holder guide is positioned too tightly against the media roll, it will not feed properly and print quality may be affected. Slide the head balance adjustment sliders so that the position of the notch in the slider matches the media width. In this video, the media width is 3 inches, so we will slide it to match the 3 inches setting. Next, adjust the bottom sensor position. Adjust the bottom sensor so that it is underneath the media. In this demonstration, it is positioned at the left edge without being moved. When you move it, unlock the bottom sensor using a pen or similar object. Attempting to move the sensor while still locked may damage it. Do not install the upper sensor directly above the bottom sensor. Normal operation may not be possible. Since the bottom sensor has been positioned at the left edge, position the upper sensor at the right edge. Next, adjust the sensor according to the media being used. This time, we will perform the settings using only the printer, but there is also an easy way to configure the settings using the utility software. It can be downloaded from Citizen's website. Set the media so that the media reaches the platen roller and bottom sensor. With the left media guide positioned against the media, align the right media guide with the media. Excessive pressure from the right media guide can lead to improper media feeding and may affect the print quality. If your model has an integrated cutter, insert the media through the cutter slit. Position the media about 10 mm from the front of the printer. If the media has black lines, be careful that it does not pass over the media sensor. Close the top cover. Press the push marks on the left and right sides of the top cover and make sure it locks securely. If the top cover is not locked securely, it may cause print errors, paper jams, and malfunctions. Connect the cable connector of the AC adapter to the power connector. Connect the power cord to the AC adapter. Connect the plug to the outlet. If your model has an AC adapter storage case, insert the plug into the AC port. Turn on the printer. Press and hold the feed key for at least 3 seconds. The printer is now in online configuration mode. The buzzer emits 3 short tones and the status LED flashes alternately in green and red. Press the feed key 3 times to select the continuous media detection sensor mode. The buzzer emits 3 short tones and the status LED flashes in amber. Press and hold the feed key for at least 3 seconds. Release the feed key once the buzzer emits a long tone. The printer is now in the continuous media detection sensor mode. Turn off the printer once. Turn on the printer while pressing and holding the feed key to start it in special function mode. The buzzer emits 3 short tones and the status LED flashes alternately in green and red. Press the feed key once. The buzzer emits 1 short tone, and the status LED flashes in green. Press and hold the feed key for at least 3 seconds. Release the feed key once the buzzer emits a long tone, and then press the feed key again. The printer is now in sensor adjustment mode. Press the feed key to switch the sensor type. Select the continuous media detection sensor. Press and hold the feed key for at least 3 seconds. Release the feed key once the buzzer emits a long tone, and then the sensor adjustment process starts. Once the sensors have been adjusted, the buzzer emits one short tone. If sensor adjustment fails, the buzzer emits one long tone. If this happens, check the positions of the sensors and media. To save and complete the sensor adjustment, press and hold the feed key for at least 3 seconds. The buzzer emits 4 short tones, and the printer will restart. Finally, check the operation. Turn off the printer once. Turn on the printer while pressing and holding the feed key to start it in special function mode. The buzzer emits 3 short tones, and the status LED flashes alternately in green and red. Press the feed key twice. The buzzer emits 2 short tones, and the status LED flashes quickly in green. Press and hold the feed key for at least 3 seconds. Release the feed key once the buzzer emits a long tone. The printer is now in test print mode. Press the feed key to toggle between label media and continuous media. Select continuous media. Press and hold the feed key for at least 3 seconds. Release the feed key once the buzzer emits a long tone. Once the test sample has been printed, turn the printer off and then on to reset it to normal startup mode. This concludes the video on how to print using continuous media with the CL-E30X series.